Hey guys, welcome to next Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how can we close our browsers. So basically, Selenium supports two different methods. So one is close, the second one is quit. So basically, what is the difference? Let's see with the example. So today we are going to see three different examples. One is we're going to open single window, and we will see how it will close and quit. So here we are going to see close method as well as quit method. So what is the difference in single window, how it opens? Second one is we are going to have single window but multiple tabs. So here also we are going to see close method and quit method. So how it behaves. So third one is we are going to have multiple windows and we are going to see how it behaves with close method and quit method. Right, these are the three different scenario you might be facing when you are automating your Selenium scripts for any web applications, right? So let's see one by one. So first one will be like I'm going to take gmail.com. Let's open the gmail.com and let's see how it closes the browser. Right, I'm going to give some thread weight. Let us use first close method, how it closes the browser. Let's run and see. So open the browser, opening the gmail.com, waiting for 4 seconds, and it closes the browser, right? So next, let's see how it behaves with quit method. Same way, it opens gmail.com and closes the browser after 4 seconds of wait. Right, so here if you are working with single window and single tab, you will not feel any difference when you are going for close method or quit method, right? So there is no difference if you are working with a single window and a single tab, right? Let's go for a single window and multiple tabs, how it behaves. So in that case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take same Gmail. So it opens the first one window and I'm going to click on help a link, right? It opens in the different tab, but it is a single window. You can see it is a single window, two different tabs. So how it closes and quit the browser, right? Let us see the example. Same way, I'm going to take this driver dot get and wait for same 4 seconds. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on help button, right? Help link. Before to that, we have to do find element by link text. So the text will be help. Should give as case sensitive. Click. So it is going to open in the new browser tab in the single window. And then I'm going to use driver.close, first one. Right, I'm going to comment this part. So what will happen now, it will open a single window browser and click on help link button. So it will open in the new tab in the same window, and then it will close the currently focused tab, right? The close method will not close all the browser tabs. Let's see the exam. Let's see and run. So it is opening your browser with a Gmail and clicking on help link. Once it completely done, you can see it is opened, and now this is the in focus and it is closed. You can see, right? Whatever it is focused, it is closed. Let us close this manually. So what will happen, what is the difference is between a close and quit? So close method will close only whatever the window is currently focused on. So now, right now the driver is currently focused on your gmail.com, not the help window, right? So that's why it closes on only the focused window, that gmail.com, right? Let's see quit method how it behaves. So it is opening the gmail.com, waiting for 4 seconds, and it should click on help link, opened in the new tab. Right now you see, now it has closed the complete window. So that is the difference. So if you are using close method, it will close only the currently focused window or tab. If you are using a quit method, so it will close complete window, whatever it is opened using the driver. So every all the windows it will be closed, right? So this is the second example, like single window multiple tabs. So we have seen first two things, like single window and a single tab, how it close and quit method works, and the second one will be single window multiple tabs, how it behaves with close method as well as the quit method. So let's see with the multiple windows and how it behaves with the multiple windows. So separate window it will open and how it closes. So in this case I'm going to take naukri.com. So what will happen if you launch this one, right? It will open three different browser windows. Let's see, when you launch, right, along with your main browser window, it opens three different browser windows, right? So when you click when you use on close method, so it will close only the main window, not other three browser windows. When you click when you use on a quit method, so it will close all four different browser windows. So that is the difference we can see now, right? Let's close this. Let's run and see how it behaves. Let me delete this. First we'll see close method, how it behaves. Let's try. Sorry, we have to close this. Open the browser and open the naukri.com. So it waits until all the three windows and everything opens, and I given 4 seconds wait time. And close method, we closed the main driver window, not the other windows which is opened based on the naukri.com, right? So that is the difference. So let's see how it behaves with quit method. So quit method, what it will do, it will close all four windows. So it waits until 4 seconds to complete. It should close all four, right? If you notice, all four windows has been closed. So that is the difference between close and quit method, right? So what is the case that we can assume but it is not actually done is, the one case is like, so we here we have given the driver, right? So we have opened like this. But if you are opening two different browser windows like this, if you are opening, right, let us see assigning the new windows into same driver instance, and if you are giving driver.quit, right, driver.quit or close, if you are giving, right, it will not close all the browser windows. So let's see that. Say for example, if I close, right, so whatever the latest one which is currently focused, right, this is the window. So only this Chrome browser window it will close. First two browser windows remain open only. Let's run this. So it will open three different browsers. See, second one open and third one it will open. So now it will close only the third one. Remaining two will remain open only. So this is the assumption. So if you want to go with that, right, if you use quit also, it will behave the same way. There won't be any difference in that. Let's see how it behaves now. So it opened two windows, right? and the third one it open, so it will close only the third one, so two remains open only. So why it is behaving like that means we have assigned the driver with the latest Chrome driver browser. So the rest two remains open only always. So because it's already in a garbage collector. So if you want to remove, close or quit this, right? Before you are going for another window to open, you have to handle it in the way. You have to close and do that. So there is no other alternatives to close your browser in this case. You can use close or quit in this case. Let's see how it behaves. Open, closed, again open, closed, right? So it three different browser windows, it open and quit. So this is how it behaves. So if you are handling with multiple windows, right, with different driver instances, so in that case you have to manually handle your browser window to whether you want to close or quit. So there is no other alternatives to do so, right? So that's it from today's demo. So if you like my video, give thumbs up. So if you have any questions or clarification you need, just please leave in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.